Hello. There's lots going on with the weather over the next 24 hours, and some of it could cause some problems. So we have a number of warnings in force. The main issues through the course of the day: heavy rain and strong winds. But there is also an increasing risk of seeing some snow across parts of Scotland overnight tonight. I'll break down the warnings one by one in just a moment, but first of all, let's take a look at the big picture and run through the day's weather. A wet start across Northern Ireland, the rain slowly easing here, but it's still on the heavy side this morning. Parts of southern Scotland, northwest England, North Wales, seeing the rain on and off throughout the day, and that is one area of concern. Some showers in South Wales and southwest England, much of eastern England though dry and bright with some sunshine, but it is blustery, gusty winds right across England and Wales. But they're also bringing in the mild air from the south. Temperatures, well, ridiculously high for the time of year. Very mild conditions, 14, 15, 16 degrees Celsius. It is colder across Scotland, however, and that potentially then leads to the next problem with the cold air here and the wet weather pushing north overnight. Tonight, that combination could lead to some snow. Initially, through the early hours over the hills of northern Scotland, but increasingly through the night coming down to potentially low levels here. Elsewhere, the rain tends to clear. It's still going to be a blustery night, but with clearing skies, it'll be a slightly cooler night. Temperatures down more widely into single figures. Into Thursday, and there's that snow falling over northern Scotland. Now, there is the risk for a little bit across Northern Ireland and the central belt of Scotland, potentially for the morning rush hour. So that's an area we need to watch. Sleet and snow showers continuing over northern Scotland through the day. Some rain showers elsewhere over northern England in particular. But for most, it's a bright and breezy day on Thursday. The wind's not as strong and it won't be as mild. Temperatures back closer to the average for this time of year. Through the course of Thursday evening, not a great deal of change. It stays a bit chilly in northern Scotland, still some wintry showers here. We will see the potential for some wet weather working in across southern parts of England and Wales during Thursday evening. But for many, it'll be a dry night and a clear night and turn a little bit chilly. Now, as I said at the start, there are warnings in force. Let's break down those warnings one by one. Going back through Wednesday, there's the heavy rain persisting across parts of northern England, southern Scotland and North Wales in particular. So that's one area for concern, the potential for flooding. The next area of concern throughout the day, really, across England and Wales, gusty winds. It's a blustery day with gusts of 40, 45, maybe 50 miles an hour inland, and over coast and hills the winds could be more than that. So the potential for that to cause a few travel problems. And then the final risk area really across northern Scotland. This is tonight with snow falling initially over the hills but coming down to lower levels as we go through the night, and even the possibility of a bit through the central belt for the morning rush hour. So plenty going on. Please keep up to date with all of the weather warnings. We'll be monitoring them, we'll be updating them throughout the day on our website, and there's always more on our app and our YouTube channels.